Hey everyone, it's Nicole, also known as Your Hair Mama on Instagram, and if you're going blonde, this guide is for you. So for aftercare, I typically will ask my clients to wash their hair less, and if they really can and they need to wash their hair every day, to wash it in cold water. Warm water or hot water will tend to open up your hair, and it will just lead to a lot of things that your blonde hair doesn't need right now. I do recommend using OLAPLEX. They really do take care of platinum blonde hair really well. So I do recommend using the shampoo and conditioner for your every wash, and then using a purple shampoo once a month. It just helps to maintain the tone. Using too much purple shampoo can create unnecessary pigments in your hair, so when you do go in for a retouch, we run into a problem of having to take out a lot of these pigments in the hair. If you're trying your hardest not to wash it, please use a dry shampoo. I use this personally. It's light, it doesn't have a white outcast for dark hair once your roots are kind of grown in. These are my non-negotiables, which is the number 7, the number 6, and the number 9. So with these, I always say moisturizer, serum, and then oil the next day. So that's how you take care of your platinum hair.